in COVID cases across cities, there's also been an increase in hospitalization. Though most of the cases are mild, that's what the doctors and health experts are saying. It's not that these are serious cases at the moment, but the number of people getting admitted in hospitals across the cities has in fact gone up. In Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai, all are registering rise in hospitalization. Chennai, in fact, saw a threefold rise in number of hospitalization. In Mumbai, daily hospitalization has gone up to 1,200 people getting hospitalized in a day for COVID-related issues. And private hospitals in Mumbai have been asked to ramp up the beds up to the same level that we saw during the peak of COVID second wave. Similarly, in Delhi, 9 government hospitals have been told to increase bed capacity in view of rising cases. And the Karnataka government has also mandated that 30% of private hospital beds should be reserved for COVID patients. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman for more on this. Ayushman, we've seen the Delhi government has now given out directions that in the 9 government hospitals in the city, the number of beds reserved for COVID patients should go up. What exactly is the status when it comes to hospitalizations? Is there a cause of concern? And are a lot of these hospitalizations precautionary hospitalizations that people are actually getting themselves admitted even with mild symptoms?
Well, there are two aspects to this. Yesterday, the health ministry made it clear that once you are having mild symptoms, only get hospitalized if the situation is deteriorating, and the consulting doctor is suggesting. At the same time, the health ministry has also written to to the state health departments to increase and augment the health infrastructure. And as a result of that, you're seeing the Delhi government roping in the government hospitals for more COVID beds. Now, if you go through the scenario of past 24 hours, we saw 10,665 cases with a positivity of about 11%. Now, out of that, about 7% people, we are being told 708 were hospitalized, and among those, 551 were mild and asymptomatic, while 2.8%, that means about 22 patients were in ICU and they were with ventilators. Very few need oxygen support is what the Delhi government is currently saying. But yesterday also it was pointed out that somewhere the hospitalization number cannot be the criteria for judging the mildness of this variant, because health ministry says that India has got a significant chunk of comorbid people. If the cases rise, the hospitalization will see a rise, and eventually the fatality rate will increase. So somewhere on ground, the message that has to be there is that it's not mild. It is something which is still under consideration. But right now, the state health departments are scrambling in order to increase and augment the health infrastructure, because the spike in number of cases is huge. In fact, today we are being told that the surge is going to also break a record of about 8 months.
Right. I mean, that would, of course, be very worrying. The numbers are, of course, very worrying right from the beginning. And even what we have seen in the past 24 hours is quite a huge rise in most of the metro cities that we have, in fact, seen. Of course, it also indicates that the testing has also increased across cities. Ayushman, thank you so much for joining us with that.